ओके, हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम केमिस्ट्री क्लास 12th का जो चैप्टर है एल्कोहल, फिनॉल एंड ईथर, तो उसमें से फिनॉल के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। फिनॉल क्या होता है और फिनॉल की प्रिपरेशन कैसे की जाती है और फिनॉल्स आर यूज इन विच पोर्शन। तो यहाँ पर टुडे टॉपिक इज प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉल। एक्चुअली फिनॉल्स आर कॉल्ड एज ए हाइड्रोक्सी डेरिवेटिव ऑफ बेंजीन रिंग। जब भी किसी बेंजीन रिंग के ऊपर OH ग्रुप अटैच कर दिया जाए, सो दैट दे आर कॉल्ड एज ए हाइड्रोक्सी डेरिवेटिव ऑफ बेंजीन। सो कॉमनली दे आर कॉल्ड एज ए बेंजीनॉल। ओके, तो यहाँ पर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोसीजर्स कुछ दिए हैं प्रिपरेशन के लिए। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आता है कि वी हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फिनॉल फ्रॉम हेलोबेंजीन और हेलोएरीन। So this reaction is also called Dawes reaction. Okay. So हेलोएरीन में we are taking here क्लोरोबेंजीन। यहाँ पर सबसे पहले आपको क्लोरोबेंजीन लेना है। Then you have to react with sodium hydroxide and temperature you have to maintain 623 and pressure is 300 atom pressure. So first it will change into a oxide. This is called the benzene sodium oxide on that. So actually benzene sodium oxide, this is oxy group, all that's come, and then again it react with HCl, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, it will give the replacement or displacement of hydrogen. So here sodium ion will react with chlorine and hydrogen ion will react with oxygen, so it will form phenol easily. So this is a simple method to prepare phenol from chlorobenzene. So it will take two steps. First step you have to cut from sodium benzoxide या phenoxide and then phenol. Okay. Second method is preparation from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. We have to prepare benzene sulfonic acid from benzene. So first we will react with benzene. This is your benzene. So when you will react with sulfuric acid and sulfur trioxide, it gives a compound. This is called benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic, ठीक है, benzene sulfonic acid. Now again react with sodium hydroxide. It will give sodium benzene sulfonate. Okay, so that is the temporary components that form sodium benzene sulfonate, and then again react with sodium hydroxide at 573. It give sodium benzene sulfonate. Again we will react like here HCl, we will got the phenol. So this is the another method to got phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. So these are two important method to prepare Dow process and benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonate little bit have more steps, but you can memorize by writing 2 or 3 times easily. Okay, that. Second is benzene phenol can be prepared from diazonium salt, or this is also called benzene diazonium salt. So here first have to prepare the benzene diazonium salt from aniline. This is aniline. Okay, so aniline react with sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid, and after that it form benzene diazonium salt. This is called benzene diazonium salt, BDS, benzene diazonium salt, and this salt react with water vapors, so it convert into phenol. So here we can easily form phenol from the benzene diazonium salt, simply react by water. Okay, so this is the third method for preparation of benzene derivatives of phenols on that side. Okay, next process for making phenol is cumene. That is the simple process. This is called cumene. Okay, so it has the isopropyl benzene ring, so that is sometimes also called isopropyl benzene. Commonly IPAC name is isopropyl benzene. So when it is heated in presence of oxygen, it form isopropyl benzoic acid on this is the simple process CWS. And then again react with small amount of acid like H2SO4 HCl, easily it will break down into phenol and acetone. So two products are formed by the reaction of cumene with oxygen and little bit HCl. Okay, so this is the fourth method for the preparation of phenol. Last method from benzene. So here we can take 2 moles of benzene, react with hydrochloric acid in presence of oxygen. So here it will form chlorobenzene. तो आपको यहाँ पर क्या मिलेगा, chlorobenzene. And then again react with water, so it will form phenol. Okay, so students, these are the 5 simple method for preparation of phenol. तो यहाँ पर एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर लेते हैं. फ्रॉम हेलोएरिन्स, आपको इन सिंपली बनाना है हेलोएरिन से फिनॉल को. नेक्स्ट बेंजीन डाइजोनियम सल्फेट, इसमें आपको बेंजीन फिर प्लस सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, बेंजीन सल्फोनिक एसिड प्लस इसके बाद सल्फोनेट बनता है. उसके बाद सोडियम हाइड्रोजन, सोडियम सल्फोनेट, सोडियम बेंजोएट प्लस HCl एंड देन फिनॉल. थर्ड में बेंजीन डाइजोनियम सॉल्ट से आप बना सकते हो. एनिलीन को सोडियम नाइट्राइट HCl से करेंगे तो डाइजोनियम सॉल्ट मिलेगा. देन रिएक्ट विथ वाटर, इजीली यू विल फॉर्म द फिनॉल. थर्ड क्यूमिन से, क्यूमिन जिसे हम जीरा बोलते हैं, इफ वी हीट एंड आईपेक नेम इज आइसोप्रोपाइल बेंजीन, रिएक्ट विथ वाटर oxygen on heating, it form isopropyl benzoic acid. Then finally if we react small amount of water or HCl, so it will give phenol again. Okay, so this is a simple method to get the phenol essence. And last is from benzene. Benzene से HCl, so we will form the chlorobenzene and then react with water, form the phenol. So these are the simple 5 methods. You can memorize this by writing again. So you can do that and try to write in your notebook. Okay, thank you.